Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Samira. So guys, today we are making this two-piece outfit, very beautiful one. So it's going to have basket waistline and a band on it. And guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell them to subscribe to my channel. You can even ask your family members to also watch my channel, my videos, so that they too can also learn, and also ask them to subscribe. Please don't forget to do that now. The subscribe button, click the subscribe button now to subscribe now. So the material that we are using is Duchess, very beautiful, and is a nude color. And we are making your own. You can also use beautiful material like this so that the style can come out. And we have other videos on my channel that you can watch now. Please try to watch my videos to the end. You can also check other videos that we have made on this channel so that you can also watch them and also learn from it. Guys, please watch this video to the end. I'll see you at the end of the video.
So we have spread the material now. So we are making two-piece style that we are making here, basket waistline and skirt. So this is the skirt that we are making now. So we'll start with our measurement, and it's a pencil skirt that we are making. So that I will start from the measurement now to take away from my tape rule, that is band. So we are removing 1.5 from the band, and to get our length there that we are having is 28. So adding your 28 plus your sewing allowance, that is the hemline, you add it together, making it 29, because it's 1 inch that I'm adding to get everything that we have. And also remember to be taking away from your tape roof on your hip for your bands, and that's what I've done there now. So I'm taking away from my band now to my waist hip line, and my hip line that I'm having there now is 8. Taking away from your band 1.5, marking 8. So that is 8 that I'm marking there now. It's a nude color that we are using. That's why you can see that the chalk is not showing, but on my process of cutting it, I will continue to explain everything that is there. So now is the measurement of the waist now. So my measurement for my waist is 30, marking 13 on 8 now. So that is the 30, and adding 1 inch on my dot, 1 inch on my dot. After that, coming to the waist hip line. So my hip line for the measurement, that the measurement now is 40 is 10 on my tape. So you add your 40 there and add your sewing allowance, and my sewing allowance that I'm adding there is 1.5. 1.5 is what I'm adding to my sewing allowance. So that is the waistline that I'm showing you to, and also marking for you to see. So it's 30, that is 30 that I'm marked there now. So I'm pointing it out for you because the scene is not showing very well because of the color. Please don't be annoyed. So that is the waist and the hip line that we have done, and it's a pencil one. So now you come down to the hemline side to shape it. What do we have on our hip is 40. So I will mark 9, that is 36 for the measurement for the hemline side, that is to get our pencil skirt. So now we're done with the measurement. Just for me now to connect from the waist to the hip, and that is what you can see me doing there now, marking from the waist to the hip. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, share to your friends so that more people can watch my video, and subscribe please. So everything is done now. So what I'm doing now, for me now to connect from the hip to the hemline. So we have done with the measurement of these pieces that we are making. That is a straight skirt, and it's a pencil one that we are making. So I'm cutting. After that, we all use it to cut the back side of it. So when doing your back side, there's no need of measuring again. Just use your front one to lay on it and cut it out, and it will be ready. That is for the piece that is skirt now. And remember, it's a top we would also have a top on it. That's why we call it two-piece style that we are making. The skirt is what we have done there now. So that is the front side that we have cut. Now is the back side of the skirt that we are making now, that is cutting. So I just spread the front now and lay it for me to get my zipper allowance, is what I'm doing there now. So I will take my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I'm giving there now is 1. Well, let's say 1 inch is what I'm adding to my zipper allowance. So after that, just for me now to cut out the skirt. This is straight skirt, a pencil one that we are making. And so that is what I'm doing there now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends so that more people can learn from it and understand it, and also sew it on their own and wear it out. So I'm putting out my allowance now. That is my dot. So my dot is what I'm also marking there now. So for me now to connect it together and cut out. So that is what I'm doing. That is only the thing that I'm doing there now. So that is what I'm doing there. I'm cutting it now because we're done with the cut measurement, everything that we have done, and just for me now to lay it and cut the back. So that is the cutting side and is the back one that we are doing there now. So can you see how it is now? So what I will just do now is just for me now to open the zipper side of it. So that is the zipper side of my pencil skirt that I'm making. It's a pencil skirt and it will have a top basket waistline. That is what the top will be. So after that, you will see we'll start with the top now. So the skirt is done, that's the measurement, and after that now just for me now to cut it out now. That is the pencil skirt. The pencil skirt is ready. So what I'm doing there again, that you can see that I'm adding 1 inch, taking away from that is the front side of it. Remember, it's the front side that I'm adding there now to just curve it. I don't want it to be puffing out. So that is how you also do make your own when sewing. So I just take away 1 inch and cut it out so that it will lay on the waist when you are wearing it. So can you see how it is? So I didn't cut it off to the side of it now, so I just ended it and cut. So can you see how it is? So this is how it will be, and by the time you wear your skirt it will lay. So this is my band now. My band, the weight that I'm pointing at is 2 inch that I have there. And remember, my hip and my waist is 40. So what you do, just mark your waist and add in case. So this is what I've done now. So that is the length, and the length that I have there is 42. Remember, the waist is 40. So done with that now. So this is the measurement now that we want to start from the top now. So it's a basket waistline that we are making. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, always watch my video, share it to your friends so that they can learn from what we are doing here now. So now I will start with the measurement. That is the shoulder measurement of my top, is what I'm marking there. Now my shoulder measurement is 8. That is what I'm marking. That is the shoulder. So now coming to the shoulder side, I'm still continuing to measure it so that we'll get that line and have a straight line on it. So pointing it out for you, the scene is not showing you very well. It's also 8. That is the armhole where we'll get our armhole. So now is the neck also that we are marking. My neck measurement is 3.5. 3.5 is what I'm marking there. The cleavage, like the depth of it, is 5. So I want it to come down a little, so I don't want it to be too exposed. So that is the measurement that I'm marking there now. So the neck, so remember, it's the neck that I'm doing there now. So it's a round one and it will come down a little. That's why you can see me doing that way. It's fine that I bring to the depth of the neck. So I just curve it. It's a round neck. Remember, it's a round neck that I'm making there now. So what I added there is 5. So I'm also bringing it down a little, not too much on the cleavage that I'm marking there now. So we're done with the measurement. That is the neck measurement. The shoulder measurement is 8. The armhole, bringing it down, is 8. So I'm marking my shoulder slope. My shoulder slope is 1 inch that I marked, and to slope it, that's what I've also done there. Now you can see it's a nude color. You can see it's not showing you, so I will continue to explain, please. So this is what I've done there now. So I'm so sorry for not, for the color, is the color that is doing that for us now. So now the length of our measurement for our top, a basket waistline, is what we are making. So my length there now is 22. That is 22. Everything that we have there is 22. So that is my bust measurement now. My bust measurement is 38, adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. That is my 1.5 inch that I'm marking there now. So coming to the downside of it now, like the waist, my waist is 30, adding 1 inch on it. Like my doubt, that's my doubt now. And after that, you now add your 1 inch for the, that is 1.5 for the sewing allowance. It's 1.5 that I've marked on my sewing allowance. So that is the 1.5 I've done there now. So just for us now to connect to the bust. From the bust now, what I'm also doing there is the armhole side that I'm curving. From the armhole side, so you now connect to your measurement for the bust to the waistline, and from the waistline you bring it down. So that's what I've done there now. So I'm still explaining everything for you to see, please, because this chalk is not showing you. I can see that it's not too showing you very well, but to see, try and understand all I'm saying and all I've done there now. So I'm marking 5, 3. It's 3 that I'm marking to get that our basket waistline, that we have that V curve. So that is what I've marked here. 3 from my waistline. That is my waistline, to get that sharp V. So can you see what I've done there now? So that is the curving side to have our basket waistline, or you call it a V shape. So that is what I've done there now. So this is the front of our basket that I'm making. So I'm also cutting, marking the neck, so that I will use it to cut the back feather. That's what I'm doing there again. So I normally do it that way, so that by the time we cut, we'll just cut it to use it for the back side. And what I use and bring it down now, that the cleavage is 2. So I'm cutting now. So that is the neck cutting that I'm cutting now. So this is the shoulder side. So watch my video to the end and share it to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Watch my video down to the end. I want people to watch it, and I want people to do it on your own. Do it the way you are seeing it on this channel, on this video, and you will see that everything that I've just explained will just be easy, and it will come out very well for you. So that's why we are showing you everything about this video, so that you can go and do it on your own, and also wear it out, and you see, you'll be very proud of yourself. So this is the cutting now of the front. So after that, now just use it to cut the back. Remember, we have done with the skirt, because it's a piece, 2-piece style that we are making, a skirt and a top, and the top is a basket waistline, and that is the one we are making now, or cutting now. That is the top now. So can you see how it is? The neck, the V, that is the basket waistline, everything has shown out now. So now we have done with the front. So I'll just lay it now. That is to fold the back side, and use this front one that I've just finished cutting, and cut it out. So this is the front of the basket waistline that we have done now. So now is the back side of it now that I want to cut. So I've laid the material, just for me now to use the front to lay down to the back side, and also to cut. There's no need of doing any measurement again. So what we will just do now, just for us to have our zipper allowance, is what I'm trying to put out there now for the back, and just cut out. And what I did there now, that is my zipper allowance that I added there, is 1.5. Remember, it's 1.5 that I added on my zipper allowance, and we'll cut out the neck now. So that is the measurement. I'm just showing you again for you to see what we have gotten there now. So this is the cutting side of the neck now, like the back side. We are using the front to cut the back. Remember, it's a basque waistline that we are making. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please watch my channel to the end. Share it to your friends, please, so that more people can watch my video, and give us a thumbs up, please. I know you guys will do that, because you're always doing that for me. So I want this video to grow together, please, so that all of us can grow. And you yourself, please watch it, practice it, do everything that you are seeing there, and you see that everything will comes out. So this is the cuttings that we've done with the cutting now. So can you see how it is now? So just for me now to cut the neck also now, because remember we just cut the back. Is the back that we cut now. So now is the front to bring down our cleavage of the neck from the front. So I've cut it also. So can you see it? So is the opening side of the zip that I want to open for you also to see. So after that, now just for us to take it to the machine and go and sew it together, sew the skirt together, iron it out, put our band on our waist of our skirt, and before you know, everything is set, everything is ready, and you will see it. I will also show you how it is now. So can you see how it is now? So thank you.
So guys, our two-piece outfit is ready. The skirt, the pencil fitted skirt, and the top, which is basket waistline, can see how it is, and the color that we use is a nude color. Please don't forget that the material is Duchess. Can also use other materials too, but I just want you to know that the material is Duchess. You can get it from the market. Please guys, click now please to subscribe to my channel. You can do it now, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. You can tell them to also subscribe now to my channel. You can also ask your family members to also watch my video. Please give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. We have other tutorials on my channel. Please also watch it and watch my video today. I'll see you on Wednesday.